Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to grow on Buy Me a Coffee. So if you want to get more supporters, more donations, and build a steady income as a creator, this guide will walk you through the full strategy step by step in 2026. First, make sure your profile is clear and trustworthy. Add a professional photo or logo, write a simple bio, and explain exactly what you create and who it helps. People support creators they understand in seconds. Next, focus on giving free value before asking for support. I mean, share useful posts, guides, or content regularly. When people see consistent value, they're way more likely to support you later. Now don't overwhelm your audience with too many options. Instead of pushing everything at once, keep one simple message like support my work or buy me a coffee to help me continue. Simplicity builds trust. Next, share your Buy Me a Coffee link everywhere your audience exists. Yeah, this includes YouTube descriptions, social media bios, Discord communities, and blog posts. The more visibility, the more chances to get supporters. Now focus on engagement. Reply to comments, thank supporters, and build real connections. People don't just support content, they support the person behind it. And finally, be consistent. I mean, growth doesn't happen overnight. The creators who post regularly and keep showing up are the ones who slowly build strong, reliable income over time. And that's basically it. You now know how to grow on Buy Me a Coffee in 2026. Hopefully, this guide helps you build a stronger audience and get more support for your work. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.